And we go down to horse racing as 2000 Guineas Winter Book favourite Run Thatcher Run and one of his rivals, Don Almighty, will be getting their final preparation for the April 14 first leg of the Triple Crown Series.
Last year's champion local 2-year-old Run Thatcher Run returned to the track on Saturday, beating his 7 rivals over 6 furlongs, posting a minute 12:04, which showed that the half-sister to 2017 Triple Crown winner She's Man Eater is in good condition. The performance, however, did not satisfy champion trainer Wayne Da Costa, who believes the long-striding colt who returned to racing after a 3.5-month absence needs to get fitter for the 2000 Guineas. Unlike last Saturday, Run Thatcher Run will be going a furlong and a half longer and against more seasoned overnight allowance horses. Run Thatcher Run's pace and condition will be truly tested by the likes of Sotomayor, the imported Saratoga site, and Master of Hall. Don Almighty from the barn of Anthony Babanunez displayed good tactical pace to win on his debut over 6 furlongs last Saturday and is expected to make it 2 in a row in the Monday morning trophy over 7 furlongs. The Bay Colt needs to produce a more impressive victory to be considered a factor in the 2000 Guineas. The imported Sparkle Diamond with Shane Ellis, Sentiment with Dane Nelson, and Sweet Like Sugar, the mount of Trevor Simpson, will be the main dangers for Don Almighty. Post time for the 10 race card will be 12:30 p.m.